Hi, my name is Dila Futri and I'm from Informatics Engineering Study Program. Today I will present about client server. So, what is client server? In general, a client-server computer can be interpreted as a computer network architecture that separates clients from servers. This type of network is a network that is often encountered on computer networks. Each client or server connected to the network can be called a node. The most basic type of client-server architecture uses two types of nodes, one as a client and one as a server. This type of architecture is often also referred to as two-tier. This type of architecture allows computers and network devices to share files and resources with each other. Next is differences of client and server networks. Client, that is only limited to users and does not provide resources. Server provides maximum resources used by client computers, but does not use resources from other computers. Next, what is a client-server computer? A server computer is a computer unit that serves as a repository of information. And for managing a command to a computer network, the server computer will serve all commands from the client's computer or workstation connected to its network. Because of its function, the server computer is so called the parent computer. Client computer. A client computer is a computer that requires one particular service to the client computer. The client computer must be equipped with a special client application to run it, so that it can use and receive services from the server computer. Next, types of server computer. We have three types of server computers. The first is web server. A web server is software that server requests for files from a web browser. Web servers are commonly referred to as HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol server. The second is application server. Application server is a software that serves to translate dynamic codes into static HTML or hypertext markup language code. The third is server database. Database server is a software that functions to process the data requested by the application server. To create a database-based web application, a computer or network system must have at least one database system. Types of databases that can be used include MS Access, SQL Server, Oracle, or MySQL. Next, client and server type. First is file servers, for sharing files over the network. Second is database servers. The server uses the desired process power to find the requested data and then all records are returned to the client. Third is transaction servers. The client requests remote procedures located on the server with a SQL database engine. These remote procedures execute a group from SQL statement, and only one request or answer is needed to make a transaction. Next, groupware servers, known as computer-supported cooperative working, semi-structural management of information such as text, image, bulletin boards, and work procedures. Data is organized as a document. And next is object application servers. Client or server applications are written as a set of communication objects. Client objects communicate with server objects through Object Request Broker or ORB. Client requests a method on remote object. And the last is web application servers. The World Wide Web was the first client-server application used for the web. And clients and servers communicate using RPC like protocol called HTTP. So that's all I can say. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for my mistake. Bye.